I bought a brand new Henry for £119 and I'm going to make a profit on him by selling all his parts individually. So as you can see, I've totally stripped Henry down and this is what each part sells for. Realistic prices and all plus postage. 2 unused bags, £2. Switch, £3. Light, £3. Motor noise filter, £3. Mini tools, £13. Metal pipes, £12. Floor tool, £15. Filter, £15. Hose, £17. Tub, £25. Motor housing and shell, £25. Cable rewind, £30. And finally the motor, £40. And that gives us a grand total of £203. I spent £119, so that gives me a profit of £84. And there you go, a brand new Henry is actually worth more selling it in parts if you get it for the right price. What do you think of this? Is it a good idea or does it all feel a little bit wrong? Just put it in the comments. Could I have got more money or should I be charging less for these parts? Also, if you've enjoyed this, the next video is showing you what I do to get a profit when selling shark vacuum cleaners.